guys, it's Tina and I am back, and I wanted to go ahead and do my Boxycharm unboxing for both December and January. I received my December box and I wasn't too thrilled about it, especially given that it was the holidays. I was expecting something special, but it didn't really blow me away, so I was like, I don't feel like doing the video. And then I got my January box and I'm like, all right now, Boxy, hey. Now, for those of you who don't know, I've signed up for Boxycharm. I've been doing these for a few months, and I've been sharing my unboxings with you guys. Now, I know not everybody is into Boxycharm unboxings, so I don't know if I should continue doing these or how I should do them. I consider doing a try-on video, but that's not really my style. I like to show you the products and show you swatches and give you my thoughts on them rather than actually applying them to my face. And I thought maybe I can do these once every 2 months rather than every month. So this way, I'll unbox 2 boxes in one video rather than doing them each month. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys want me to do, and I'll just approach it that way. I know not everybody watches these videos, so I definitely wanted to make sure I cater to the people that do watch these. So we'll go ahead and open the December box first. By now, you guys have probably seen tons of these videos, so there's no surprise as to what is included in this box. Now, like I said, I wasn't too excited about this box just because the products that I received were not that exciting for me. So for Boxycharm, there are usually 4 or 5 full-size products included, and you may get a sampler product as well. But for this, I got 5 full-size products. I'll start out with the RealHer blush kit. Retails for $32, and this is a 3-shade blush kit. It comes in this packaging, and there are 3 shades. There is a bronzy nude tone with micro glitter in it. Then you have a satin coral shade, and then a shimmery, like rosy pink with gold glitter to it. Now, initially, I wasn't impressed by this palette at all. I was like, all right, they look okay, but the shades aren't really ones that I would be into. And then I applied them, and they're pretty nice products. They have pretty decent pigmentation. The bronzy shade I can wear as like a nudie blush. I can't use it as a bronzer, and the gold glitter just throws me off. But they do look pretty nice on the skin. Because these are baked products, though, they do fade away a little bit more quickly on the skin than other products. So not exactly my favorite product. The shades are nice, but the formulation is just, it leaves a little bit to be desired. Then they included a crown brush. This is the Deluxe blush brush. Retails for $12. And this is from Crown, which is a well-known brush manufacturer. It's a beautiful, sleek white handle. It has little ergonomic finger cutouts in it. I think it's a beautiful looking brush. It doesn't feel lightweight at all. It's a synthetic brush, and it does have a nice shape to it. I wouldn't necessarily use this for blush though, unless it's cream blush, because it is a denser, stiffer brush. So I feel like this is going to apply way too much product. But with the baked blush, you can stipple it into the skin and really press it in to really make sure that it stays in place. So I think it's a great combination to have the blush brush included with the blush palette. I should probably even that out because I don't want to look crazy on camera. So nice brush. Crown does make nice brushes, so I'm happy with that. Then they included a Pretty Vulgar liquid lipstick. This is the My Lips Are Sealed lightweight liquid lipstick. Retails for $24. Pretty Vulgar is a pretty new brand to Sephora. They debuted last year sometime. They made a big stir on the market because they have beautiful packaging, but I don't think the products lived up to the hype, so they've kind of just drifted off to the side now. I tried out a couple of their products and I returned all their eyeshadow palettes. I didn't like them. I didn't think they were worth the price. They applied nicely, blended out decently, but the wear time wasn't there. They faded away pretty quickly, and it just wasn't worth it to me, so I returned those, and I like their blushes. I didn't try any of their lip products, so I was interested in trying this out, but it's a shimmery liquid lipstick, and it feels a little moussey, and because of the texture of it, it's like a whipped mousse. It doesn't really layer up well as I would expect from a liquid lipstick. It actually applies somewhat like a lip gloss, which is not a bad thing, and it's a beautiful shimmery metallic rose. And I mean, it's decent, but it's not like the best product. And for $24, I think that's What? $24 for what? For who? That's why you're not good enough, Pretty Vulgar. You need to set up your price better. No one's buying this for $24, so don't do that. That's why they went to Boxy. Anyway, the next thing they included was a Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. This is from Tarte. Tons of people love this mascara. Now, this mascara has short nylon bristles, which I don't enjoy. I didn't fall in love with this mascara because I love volume from my lashes. I don't necessarily like just length. This gives a lot of length. It's a vegan mascara. This retails for $23, so it's a pricey mascara, and they included it in this box, which I thought was good because, hey, a lot of people love the mascara. I use this as a mix-in mascara, so I will layer it with other mascaras to add separation, but I don't love it by itself because it's not very volumizing. Then they included from Beauty Basics a Bronze Essential palette. This retails for $39.95. Which part? Hello? Is a cheap little plastic black palette. You open it and then it's a strip. There's some matte strips, there's a dark center matte strip, then you have two lighter nude strips, and then you have some shimmery bronzy strips in the middle. And these are flaky shimmer strips. So I don't know which part of this a $40. Hello, sir, mom, and missus. No. And because they're strips, it's hard to like get just the matte shade or the center shade. Like, it's hard to get in there unless you're using a really small brush, which this was not worth it. This, I think, was the most disappointing thing. No, this and the lipstick, so disappointing. The blush was okay. The brush, to me, the best things out of the box was the brush and the mascara, which I don't even love that much. So, of course, that's why my December was very disappointing for me. So, let me know what you guys got and if you like that box. I just expected a little bit more glitz and glamour because it was December. Anyway, spring forward to January. I got my box, and I love how it's so secure. It's a really compact box. I love Boxycharm. I recommend them to anyone who asks if they should join a subscription service. If you're checking one out and you just want to have fun, I think this is really good for teenagers or people that are starting out in makeup and they want to build a collection without having to buy every single thing, and they want to get some decent products. I do think it's a great subscription service. I'd actually sign up my niece for these because I think they're really fun boxes to get every month. Now, this theme is Rock 2018. This one has rock and roll soul products. All right, so we're going to see what we have in here. Again, we have 5 full-size products, and I'm really excited about this box because it has some of my favorite products in here. So the first thing up is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This is $38. Now, love Dr. Brandt products. I love Dr. Brandt, the Microdermabrasion Scrub, and I love the Pore Filling Primer. This is an illuminating primer. Now, I am not the biggest fan of illuminating primers because I have oily skin. I am not. I know I have a little glow going on right now. I'll show you what I have on. This is the Milk Makeup. It is called the, come on now, it's the Luminous Blur Stick. Listen, this is what I appreciate from a cream shimmer stick. This is so beautiful. It's supposed to be a primer. I wouldn't apply this all over my skin, but as like a highlight though, it's really beautiful. Anyway, this we're talking about, the Luminizer. It's very thin. It gives like a sheen, it looks like a gloss on the skin, but it's not like slippery or shimmery or there's no glitter in it. And I really like this. It's more for dry skin, of course, but for me, I can enjoy this because it isn't heavy duty at all. It's like really lightweight. So I would apply this mainly to the parts of my skin that I consider kind of normal. So like on my cheek area, I would apply this. I would keep it right here because my T-zone does its own thing and I don't need any shine there. But I've been finding that I like to put like a little dew right here. So this is what I would use this for, and I like the texture of this, and it's $38. I love this. I think it's really great. Then they have a It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. $24 for this guy. Here's the thing. It's hard to do a universal brow color. It's a taupe, so it is kind of universal. I do like the shape of this, and I do like the color for me, but if you have really light brows, be careful with this, or if you have red hair, be careful with this. But I do think this pencil is really nice. I've used it before from IT Cosmetics, and I liked it back then, but I think I've grown to like it even more, especially since I have fuller brows now. So all I do is just fill in sparse areas. I'm not really doing crisp outlines. Like, I don't need that sculpt in definition. And this pencil is actually really good, and it has pretty nice ingredients to it, and I thought this was a great one to include in the box. So again, real winner here. I was really happy with this guy. And then the next up is this Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This is $25. Again, another product from Crown. We got their brush last month. This month they have a palette. I didn't even know they made eyeshadow palettes. But look at this. Guys, they have a little cutout guitar mirror. I love this. Not a functional mirror. I would not use this to apply makeup, but I think it's a nice touch. And then they have 9 beautiful shimmery metallic eyeshadows. Excuse me. These are so pretty. They're not the smoothest, they're not the creamiest, but they have a great texture. They have a great finish. It's not overly frosty. So I think this is a great palette, and they're mostly neutral shades. So I think you can get, oh my God, you can get great looks from this palette. I am really, like, I'm excited to try out this palette from Crown. I thought it was a great addition, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, thank you, Crown. That's so nice. And the theme of this is that rock and roll theme that goes with the theme of the box. And then they have a product from Pure. This is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This retails for $34. So this contains a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. The blush is a beautiful, like, orangey coral. It's shimmery, it's sexy, it's smooth, it gives this golden sheen to the, oh my God, it's so pretty. The highlight is like a beautiful light yellow highlight. It's a bit too champagne for me, so I wouldn't use it on its own, but if I top the blush with it, oh my God. And then the bronzer, I wouldn't use this as a bronzer, but as a highlight on darker skin, and you can mix it with the highlight shade to get just a beautiful glowy look to the skin. Actually, you can use this as a bronzer because it isn't really shimmery metallic. It's more like a glowy orangey terracotta bronze. Not orangey. It sounds bad when I say orangey, but it's like a terracotta bronze that will give you that sun glow look to the skin. This is so good. So after I got the eyeshadow palette, I really didn't expect to get such a beautiful bronzy highlighty palette. So I thought that was also a great addition. And then they added a Galactic Matte Lip Paint. Retails for $23. This is one of my favorite matte liquid lipsticks, and you guys get to try it out. This is in the shade, I believe it's Demure. Yes, which is one of my favorite shades from them. They don't have like a ton of shades, but they have really beautiful nudes. This is such a beautiful, deep, I mean, it's a deep rosy nude. Oh my God, it's like a deep brown rose. It's such a, what was that? What was that face? I don't even know what that face was. This is such a good color, guys. This, when I tell you this is one of my favorite, like, deep nudes, oh my God, I kid you not. And to see it included in this box along with other great products, I was so excited. So even though they disappointed me in December, they more than made up for it in January. And I'm so excited about these products, guys. Oh my God. This palette alone has me like, oh, this has me over here salivating. It's ridiculous how gorgeous this is. I can't wait to tear into this. But again, I think Boxycharm is a great box for you guys to try out new products. And sometimes they'll disappoint you, and then sometimes they'll like send out a killer box, and I think January was a killer box. So if you lucked out and got some great products in January, definitely let me know. Let me know also if you got some winter products in December, or any of these products that you think are really great. Maybe I'm using them wrong. Maybe I just need to, like, you know, step back and reevaluate. Let me know what you guys think. But I am really happy with my January box, and I look forward to the other months. Again, let me know how you want me to do these videos. Think I'm gonna do them 2 boxes in a month, because I feel like I can talk about more products, and I can probably put more products to the use before I talk about them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave my referral link down below. It signs me up for tokens. Again, I still don't know what I can use those for, but you can sign up through Boxycharm any way you choose. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos, and I will leave links to my Instagram and Twitter page, where you should definitely be following me along. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.